Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa is going to make a heavy hiam, sambal, sambal using dried shrimp. Okay, so first of all, we will need one small bowl of dried shrimp here. I quick rinse it with some water just now. Later we are going to either mince it or you chop it. Here I have few pieces, maybe how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Usually I try to make more lah, so never mind how much. This is probably like 8 to 10 pieces of big chili. I use big chili because I don't want it to be too spicy. Appa is the only one at home who can eat spicy. All my other family members cannot eat spicy. So use a big chili. And I like using fresh chili because fresh chilies, the spiciness of a fresh chili is more controlled. As in, if you buy a dried chili, you won't know how spicy it is. And normally, most of the dried chili is not usually quite spicy. So I use fresh chili, it's less spicy. And then a few pieces of shallot and also some garlic. And of course, I'll be putting in some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder to enhance the umami flavor of this dish. Now you can choose to chop everything together, but today I would like to chop the heavy separately, the dried shrimp. I want it to be coarsely chopped, so that I can still feel the texture. I don't want it to be too fine, so I'm not adding any water yet, We have this consistency. It is not too fine, That's why I did not add any water. Good enough. So I'm going to take it out. Coarsely chopped. Okay, let's put it aside. Then I'm going to put in the chili shallot. You will notice I didn't put a lot of shallot here because I finished off my shallot. You can put it a little bit more than what I'm putting in right here. I'm only putting in like 4 pieces. And my shallot is not very big. So you should probably put a little bit more, We just make do with whatever we have. Also, I don't want this to be too fine. So I may add some water, but I won't add a lot of water. Adding water to the blender is only to ease the blending process. But you don't want to add too much water. Because if you add too much water, it will become very, very fine. And I don't want it to be too fine. Let me see. Right. See, it is not very fine. You can still see the flakes. This is the kind of consistency I'm looking for. Now we can, our raw sambal is ready. Get a deeper pan, give it some oil. I'm going to saute the dried shrimp first. Let's heat it up. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in the dried shrimp. Saute this separately will enhance the flavor for the dried shrimp. Wow, I can smell the dried shrimp already, the heavy. Ooh. Dried shrimp itself will always give umami flavor to your dish, for your sambal. Very, very fragrant. Let's saute this for a minute or two before we continue. So this is after about 1 minute plus. Super, super fragrant now. This is the time where we can put in the blended chili. And add in a good amount of oil. Oh, my oil is not enough. I will go and get it. Need to go and get some extra oil. Let me quickly mix it nicely first. Okay, I'll add oil probably a bit later. Let's continue saute this using a medium or medium-low heat. I think medium-low heat is better. At least saute this for the next 3 to 5 minutes to allow the chili oil to start to release. Oh, my heavy today seems to be a little bit too much for this amount of chili. It's fine, no problem, can still make do. So you do need to keep on stirring, alright, to prevent it from getting charred. Yeah? Chili can get burned quite easily. We'll come back shortly. Looking at the amount of the heavy I'm putting in today is quite a lot. Perhaps I will try to make the drier version of heavy hiam today. I never make drier version before. Today I might give it a try. This is after like 3 minutes sauteing. I'm tuning down the fire a little bit to the lowest fire. Now I'm going to give it some seasoning. I'm going to give it a little bit of salt, fine salt. Yeah, just a little bit because the heavy is very salty. Yeah. And we need to balance it with a little bit more sugar, yeah? I'm putting in about 2 teaspoons, but it's a big teaspoon, yeah? For those who have my cooking appa chicken stock powder, this is the time where you can add it in, about 1 teaspoon also. You can get it from Shopee Malaysia, Shopee Singapore, or any Enviet restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. Some light soya sauce. This is more for the color. Alright, don't put too much saltiness because the heavy is very salty. So you want to continue saute this for a few more minutes. Then it is done. That's how simple it is. Right, you can notice the oil started to break. Yeah, you can see the oil, chili oil. This is basically ready. Yeah, our heavy hiam today. Today I make the dried version. I always done. Look at how beautiful it is. Now we can serve.